UK to ramp up booster jab campaign to battle Omicron. The emergence of the possibly more infectious Omicron strain of the coronavirus has prompted the United Kingdom's Health Secretary, Sajid Javid, to announce that the country would boost its vaccination programme in response. On Monday, Javid told Parliament that the minimum time between booster vaccinations should be reduced from 6 months to 3 months, citing fresh recommendations from the government's Joint Committee on Vaccination and Immunisation, JCVI. The Health Secretary went on to say that booster vaccinations should be made available to all people. Boosters were originally recommended by the JCVI for persons over the age of 40. The modifications were made as the number of Omicron illnesses diagnosed in the United Kingdom increased to 11 on Monday, according to the latest data. According to the World Health Organization, WHO, Omicron may be more infectious and resistant to vaccines than previously identified coronaviruses. The new strain, which was found in Botswana earlier this month, had spread to numerous European nations by the end of last week. According to Javid, the new variation may have provided a leg up to the virus in the struggle against immunizations. He also predicted an increase in cases over the following days.